Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about the latest Christmas updates and the beautiful hairstyles and hair colors related to Christmas, so you can have an idea how to style your hair on this Christmas. And before we move further, Merry Christmas to all my lovely friends, and subscribe, share my videos with your friends and fam. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID, Twitter ID. I'm also on Pinterest. Links to all of them are in the description box below. You guys can follow me there. And if you are enjoying watching this video, give it a like. And yes, let's dig into this video. These are all the beautiful hairstyles that I've chosen for you purposely just for Christmas, for the celebration of 25th of December, the beautiful celebrations of Christmas. If you'd celebrate it with the simple way, that's the regular ones, it's okay. But if you mix it with this moderation, that would be even more special and more beautiful to celebrate. Why? Because it's a beautiful celebration and it should be celebrated as it should be. So now look how differences these hair colors and these hairstyles had made, and how Christmassy vibes comes from these beautiful hairstyles. There are absolutely tons of ideas that you can try. I mean, at least one of them you can try. Whichever you'd find the best, you can try it. And the color variations are endless, the color shades are endless. Now look at this one paired with beautiful flowers. These all are exclusively for Christmas hairstyles and Christmassy vibes, from those beautiful braids to baby open hair to hairstyles tugged with jewelries related to Christmas tree, and it looks super gorgeous, super stunning. I'd highly recommend, if anyone of you wants to try any of these hairstyles, and let me know down how did it went, because I am 100% sure that these are one of the most fantabulous and marvelous hairstyles ever. That if you would style this, you would definitely thank me for it later, because this is super stunning. And if you are gonna attend any party, so your Christmas parties would be even more special, and you would feel by yourself that you have achieved it. It's definitely a great idea to go for by wearing any of these hairstyles that you love. Now this one is with the lighting, and these colors are fantabulous, incredibly beautiful ideas for Christmas. And what about this hair color? It just reminds me of the Christmas tree and it's beautiful. What about this wonderful with the pine cone at the bottom of the hair, braided? And this is absolutely a resemblance of the pine tree, Christmas tree. Okay guys, now if you have me till here, you have to tell me that by watching my video, if you have to pick one, which hairstyle would it be for the Christmas hairstyles? If you would have to pick one, what would it be? This one is the candy inspired hairstyle bun, and look at this braid which makes a star, and it's actually represented for the tree and the jewels to be tucked in. Now what do you think about this one? Look at the cute bow. This idea is fantabulous. I love probably all of them. Which one was your favorite? I'm waiting to know. Look at these beautiful pom-poms. And this one is super cool. There are infinite ideas, they are endless, that you can try and feel the difference by your own self. This is the lighting ones, which looks the beautiful sparkle in the hair, and it makes just the older look. Okay guys, finally that was it for the video, and if you like to watch much like this, subscribe, share my videos with your friends and family. Stay tuned and stay updated on my channel if you want more such videos. Like my videos, stay tuned here. I'll be up with next. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll be back.